How to watch Faceit demo CS2 in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to download the demo file, like log into your Faceit account and navigate to matches in your profile and select the match you want to analyze. Then click the watch demo button. If this button is missing, the demo has likely expired, like strict 30-day redemption. Save the compressed file like .zip or .ral to an accessible folder like your desktop, as you can see like here this. And after that, you have to extract and prepare the file. Use tools like WinRAR or 7-zip to decompress the file. Locate the .dim file like Faceit match1234.dem inside and rename the file. Remove spaces or similar character, as you can see from here. And file name with spaces often trigger demo not found errors in CS2. And then you have to move to the CS2 directory and find your CS2 installation folder. The path is typically this one. And after that, you have to copy the .dm file into the CSGO subfolder. Avoid placing it in replace or legacy CSGO folder. CS2 reads exclusively from /game/CSGO. And then you can launch and control playback, like launch CS2, enable the developer console via settings, then game, then enable developer, then console. And after that, you have to open the console and type play demo faceit slash demo, omit the .dem extension, and for playback controls, use the demo UI by typing demo UI. And alternatively, you can press shift plus F2, use the UI to pause, skip round, or adjust playback speed. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.